On January 1st, New York City officially annexes the Bronx, expanding the city's boundaries and shaping the future of one of the world's largest urban centers. During March, the Young Men's Hebrew Association is founded in Manhattan, an institution that will later become the famous 92nd Street Y, a major cultural and educational center. On May 14th, Harvard defeats the University of McGill in a football match, marking the first time an admission fee is charged at a football game, an early step toward professional sports commercialization. On May 16th, tragedy strikes when the Mill River Dam collapses in Massachusetts, killing 139 people in one of the deadliest industrial disasters of the era. On June 22nd, Andrew Taylor still begins the osteopathic medicine movement in Kirksville, Missouri, introducing a new approach to healthcare focused on holistic treatment. On July 1st, two major milestones occur. The Philadelphia Zoo opens as the first public zoo in the United States. That same day, the Scholes and Glidden typewriter, featuring the QWERTY keyboard, is first marketed, revolutionizing communication and office work. On July 14th, the Chicago fire of 1874 destroys 47 acres of the city, killing 20 people and prompting major reforms in fire safety and urban planning. On July 24th, Matthew Evans and Henry Woodward patent an early incandescent lamp, contributing to the development of electric lighting. On July 31st, Patrick Francis Healy becomes president of Georgetown University, making history as the first Black person to lead a predominantly white university. On September 9th, Captain Lyman's wagon train is besieged by Native American forces in Texas, highlighting ongoing conflicts during westward expansion. On September 14th, the Battle of Liberty Place erupts in New Orleans, where the White League temporarily overthrows the Republican governor before federal troops restore him to power. On September 28th, Colonel Ranald S. Mackenzie leads a raid into Palo Duro Canyon, forcing Kiowa, Comanche, and Cheyenne tribes onto reservations, marking a decisive moment in the Texas Indian Wars. On October 9th, the San Diego Society of Natural History is founded, laying the foundation for the future San Diego Natural History Museum. On November 4th, Democrats gain control of the United States House of Representatives for the first time since 1860, signaling a major political shift after the Civil War. On November 7th, Harper's Weekly publishes Thomas Nast's famous cartoon introducing the elephant as the symbol of the Republican Party. On November 9th, the New York Zoo hoax spreads panic when newspapers falsely report escaped animals roaming Central Park. On November 10th, inventor John Ernst Worrell Keeley demonstrates a supposed perpetual motion machine, later exposed as a fraud. On November 11th, the Gamma Phi Beta sorority is founded, becoming the first women's Greek letter organization officially called a sorority. On November 25th, the Greenback Party is founded, representing farmers and workers affected by the Panic of 1873. That same year, Charles Taze Russell and the Bible student movement claim this year marks the invisible return of Jesus Christ, a belief that later influences Jehovah's Witnesses. Gold is also discovered in the Black Hills, sparking conflict and migration. On January 3rd, the Battle of Caspid takes place during the Third Carlist War in Spain. On February 24th and 25th, the First Battle of Somorrostro is fought, followed by the Battle of Castelfollit de la Roca on March 14th. From March 25th through March 27th, the Second Battle of Somorrostro occurs. On May 2nd, the Siege of Bilbao is lifted, and from June 25th through June 27th, the Battle of Montemurro continues the conflict. On July 24th, Cuenca is sacked, and on August 11th, the Battle of Oteiza takes place. On January 23rd, Prince Alfred, Duke of Edinburgh, marries Grand Duchess Maria Alexandrovna of Russia in St. Petersburg. On February 23rd, Walter Clopton Wingfield patents the game spheristic, an early form of lawn tennis. On March 18th, the Dresden English Football Club is founded, the first association football club on mainland Europe. On May 22nd, Giuseppe Verdi's Requiem premieres in Milan, honoring the writer Alessandro Manzoni. On July 1st, the Bank of Spain issues the first peseta banknote. On October 9th, the Treaty of Bern establishes the General Postal Union, standardizing international mail. On November 16th, Alfred Chellier's comic opera The Sultan of Mocha premieres in Manchester. On November 18th, the sailing ship Cospatrick catches fire and sinks in the South Atlantic, killing all but 3 of the 472 people on board. On December 1st, Iceland receives a constitution and limited home rule from Denmark. On December 9th, Passage de Venus is released, considered the oldest motion picture sequence ever made. It was a series of photographs of the transit of the planet Venus across the sun on that day. They were purportedly taken in Japan by the French astronomer Jules Janssen and Brazilian engineer Francisco Antonio de Almeida using Janssen's photographic revolver. On December 29th, a military uprising in Spain restores the monarchy, proclaiming Alfonso XII as king and ending the First Spanish Republic. That year also sees the completion of the spire of St. Nicholas Church in Hamburg, briefly the tallest building in the world. The House of Keys relocates in the Isle of Man. DDT is synthesized for the first time, and C.R. Alder Wright synthesizes heroin. Football clubs such as Aston Villa, Bolton Wanderers, Greenock Morton, and Heart of Midlothian are founded. The medieval Frankish Tower in Athens is demolished, and Schindler Group is founded in Switzerland. On January 2nd, Ignacio Maria Gonzalez becomes head of state of the Dominican Republic. On the January 20th, the Pancor Treaty is signed, extending British control over Malay states. On March 15th, France and Vietnam signed the Second Treaty of Saigon, strengthening French colonial rule in Southeast Asia. On March 25th, Ecuador is consecrated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus by President Gabriel Garcia Moreno. On May 9th, the first commercial horse-drawn carriage service begins in Bombay. On May 23rd, the passenger ship British Admiral sinks near Tasmania with only 9 survivors. On May 27th, the first Dorsland trek departs South Africa toward Angola. On June 14th, Michel Domingue becomes head of state of Haiti. On October 31st, the Quebra-Quillos revolt begins in Brazil. On November 2nd, the Yomiuri Shimbun newspaper publishes its first issue in Tokyo. On November 6th, the University of Adelaide is founded in Australia. That same year, the Agra Canal opens in India, improving irrigation and agriculture. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and join us as we continue exploring history, one year at a time.